Hi, everyone, and welcome to week 6 in child psychology. This week, we are going to revisit the idea of object permanence. So, Piaget was the original founder of object permanence, and he had his own measurement for that, which included a complex action that involved reaching and grabbing, as opposed to Bayerjan, who presents now a more simple measurement of sustained looking. So, the focus of this week is to compare the measurement, not the definition, because the definition stays the same, the measurement of Piaget and Bayerjan's concept of object permanence. So we are going to do a couple different tasks to help you do that. The first thing is you will need to read and watch all of the resources in the Unit 6 resources file. You will also need to complete the discussion activity, which is where you're going to actually evaluate which one you feel is more legitimate, Piaget or Bayerjan's measurement. You're also going to do a writing assignment on the Baby Lab video, a reaction paper, and you're going to complete Unit 6 worksheet that prepares you for the next assessment. So let's take a minute and look at the reaction paper. In this reaction paper, you will utilize this video to watch. And what I'm looking for you to do is look at communication of infants. They don't communicate the way that we do. So they don't not communicate, but they communicate differently. So that is something that child psychologists have to focus on when they're dealing with subjects of very young ages. And no better time to do it when we're talking about Bayerjan, who is pushing the envelope of object permanence when it comes to age. So in this, I want you to identify language abilities of infants, and this could be receptive or expressive language, as well as all of the signs, the symbols, the tone of their voice, all of those things. And as Bayerjan presents, looking. Also, I want you to talk about the video and the readings in this unit applied into this question and present an opinion based on all of your reading and your watching of these videos, how you feel babies communicate. As you see, same rubric, I spend a lot of emphasis on the commentary, examples, descriptions, and analysis. But I also look for proper spelling, grammar, mechanics, and because you're using outside sources, which you will be, you will definitely need to use citations within and also have a reference page that is APA formatted. You're also going to be focusing on having a constructed paper that is holistically sound so that it makes logical sense. So that is your rubric for that assignment. And you also will be doing this discussion activity. There are two different essays that I have in the reading material, the folder, and there are also different resources that you can utilize. I want you to evaluate which measurement of object permanence you feel is more legitimate, that of Bayerjan or that of Piaget. And you might have to go back to the week that we had Piaget to refresh yourself on that. But in order to complete this successfully, then you're going to need to do that. If you have any questions about any of the assignments in this week, please feel free to reach out and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks so much.